Hey there. Today we're going to look at how to download Java for Minecraft. So let's get started. First, open your web browser. You can use any browser like Google Chrome or others. Next, go to a search engine and type in Java. Look for java.com, which is the main site for Java downloads. On the homepage, you will see options for the Java runtime environment for different operating systems like Windows, Mac, Linux, and Solaris. I'm using Windows, so I will go to the Windows section. I will select 64-bit, but you should select according to your PC. Click on it to download and wait for the file to finish. You can find the downloaded file in your Downloads folder or on your desktop if you move it there. Double-click the installer, agree to any security prompts, and follow the instructions to install Java. After installing Java, it is a good idea to restart your computer to complete the setup. Then right-click any .jar file you want to run with Java, choose Open With, and select Java TEAM Platform SE Binary. Check Always Use this app to make future openings easier. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.